welcome to another episode of today. Today I want to talk on the melodic pattern of score, of chord, sorry. You know, when you are playing your chord, there is some kind of melodic note you likely want to add to make it look nice. Understand? Like if you're covering it together, all the melody and the chord together. Understand? You need to make it that harmonizing. Understand? So the first chord is, which are sus 2 chord. I'm playing the key of C. Alright, so the first chord there is C sus 2. The second chord is G major. The third chord there is A minor chord, and the fourth chord is F major chord. It's a simple chord, every one of us we know the chord. But there's another pattern you need to play it, to look more harmonizing. Like I played earlier before now. You might probably apply something like do, re, mi, sol, mi, do, re, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, mi, re. That is, this way here is as a result of you going to the second chord, which is the 5 chord in the key of C. Understand? And when you play this other chord, the next melody you play there is nice. Do, re, mi, sol, mi, re, do, la. Re, mi, sol, mi, re, do, re, la. That you are going to the 6th chord, which is La. Understand? Which is La. La. You buy from the La. Full fret here, and you put your 2 fingers here in your 5th string and your 4th string. You strum all the strings. So the next chord there is, the next note there is Mi, sol, do, la, mi. We harmonize this slide a little bit. Mi, fa, that is going to the 4 chord now. To the 4 chord. Sorry about that. 4 chord there. You bar this there. You put your first finger here, your ring finger here, and your pinky here. Your pinky here. Then you take this one to the 3rd string here in the middle. Then you play. Do, do, la, you go back to the 1 chord. Alright guys, check you in the next video. All right, I will show you the next version how to play your melody with your chord in the next video. Thanks for watching. Check out this video here and you'll see it. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this, and comment.